Welcome to another great tutorial. Today we're just going to be having a look at the opacity feature in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now there are different ways of doing opacity in Premiere Pro, but this is probably the most flexible way. So start a new project as normal and then go to Effects. After you click on Effects, you'll bring up the panel on the right hand side. From there, select Video Effects, Key In and Alpha Adjust. Drag that to your timeline as normal. Then go back to Editing Mode and select Effect Controls. First change the opacity down to 0 and then click on the Mask button, a square if that's what you're needing, like in this case. Now just shape your mask over whatever it is you want to be opaque. Then the only thing left to do is export the media, and what will happen is it'll be an opaque video background. Okay, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Take care and remember to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Have a great day, bye bye.